2021. And today I am in Ms. Lopez's third grade classroom, and I have three pledgers, and their names are
Briley, Brooklyn, Emma Jane.
At this time, will you please stand, place your hand over your heart, and follow as we do our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, one and indivisible,
With liberty and justice for all. And now our Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América, pública que representa una nación ante Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia. Ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas. Fidelidad a ti.
Texas, una nación y dos.
Uno y indivisible. At this time, will you please remain standing for our moment of silence? You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, that makes you feel unloved, that makes you feel disrespected, please find the trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. We do have one happy birthday today. Happy birthday to Ms. Crystal De La Cruz. We hope you have an amazing birthday. We do have a couple of announcements. The prose and poetry tryouts are during your library time. Teachers, you were sent this information, so please make sure you share it with the parents and students. Tomorrow is picture day. Yay, guys. So make sure that you also see the handout and the schedule. Tomorrow are individual picture day, so everyone can go ahead and take their picture. Boys Club meeting is in Mr. Baca's room this afternoon. And we also ask that you please continue to wear your mask, wash your hands, and social distance. The character education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. American author and artist Mary Ann Radmacher had this to say about courage. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes it is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a terrific Thursday.